Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog. And today I am so proud to announce that I am a brand ambassador for none other than How to Be a Redhead, which is a subscription box that's targeted specifically to none other than redheads, honorary redheads, and the people who love them. With no further ado, I am going to open the welcome kit that I received as a brand ambassador for How to Be a Redhead. Would you like to see what I got? Stick around. Okay, first and foremost, loving the shirt. Love, love, love this shirt. I am so excited. Look at that. I don't know if I have to wear this shirt when I'm filming. I don't know, but I'm proud to have it and I will be proud to wear it. I'm so excited. I got it in a little bit of a larger size in case shrinkage, when you wash them, but I am so thrilled to get that. The next thing that was in the package, which I thought was very interesting, are these cute little cards that say, "Hey Redhead," and there's a barcode in the back. So when you click on the barcode, I think it sends you to their website and to get more information about how to be a redhead. So I will keep some of these on hand with me. So in case I see a fellow unicorn in my midst as I'm walking around, I will say, "Hey, do you know anything about how to be a redhead? I think this card is for you." I love it. I can't wait. I mean, it'll be interesting to see how this goes. Another thing that I got in my package is the stickers. Woo! Ah, fantastic, isn't it? Okay. I also got a welcome to the club. I was always in the club. That says, "Hey Redhead," and it says, "We're so excited to have you be a part of our brand ambassador program. Welcome to the Redhead community." Okay. And I think, oh wait, there's a pen that is branded with the How to Be a Redhead logo, which I love. Yeah, it is. It's a marker. So that way I can fill out, I guess, what would I fill out? Would I put my name on this? I don't know. Keep track of who I gave it to? I don't know, but I'm loving that I got a little pen. Appreciate it. And I also got this, which says how to use, and these are codes. So How to Be a Redhead apparently does have a YouTube channel. They have makeup tutorials for redheads and hair tutorials, which I desperately need. I recently cut my hair. It wasn't 2 inches, it was actually 5 inches. It was down to here. So it was much needed. Although I did go into shock when it happened. They blew it out, made it look oh so pretty. But yeah, it's a really icky day out and I don't have product in my hair. I just decided to let it air dry. So I think, wait, and I also got this. This is the Finally Have Brows gel and it's in clear. Let me see. I don't really use a lot of hair, like gels on the brows. Yeah, this is How to Be a Redhead Finally Have Brow, but it's in clear. Oh, that's good. This is good for us girls that were blessed in having eyebrows, because that's one thing. I do have brows, but I really appreciate being able to do this. So I don't know, does it do anything? Yes, it does. It just feels like a little teeny tiny brush going over, the little things to keep them neat. It does come in handy because sometimes my brows do look a little sloppy. So there you go. Amazing. What do you think? Have you tried How to Be a Redhead? Here's my code below. This will give you 15% off your first purchase if you so choose. If you are a redhead or an honorary redhead, or you know one that you happen to love or appreciate, this would be a great gift option to surprise them with. If not for the summer, then definitely for the winter. I know the summer box is currently um, uh, the summer box is currently in right now. So if anything, you may want to check out the website, otherwise known as H2 Bar, and check out and see what we have to offer. I When I had the subscription, I understand that they come out quarterly, and I remember that what I got was one of their made for redheads, the mascara, and it was this beautiful auburn color. It was perfect because for me, my eyelashes appear fairly light. Here, the reason why they look like they have any kind of definition is because I put mascara on, but it's on, I put a brown one on, so it gives it definition, but it's like a soft definition. With the auburn, it gives an even more natural, realistic look. My eyelashes naturally are very light, not light in composition, like not, as far as density, more in the color. So that's what also gives away the fact that I'm, of the redhead persuasion. So I need a mascara to do it, but having uber black, noir black, super duper black, while pretty, it's also very dramatic. And at times, depending, it also makes you look older. And I really would like to have less of that kind of and more of like, oh, she has pretty lashes. And it's not this thing of like that they're so dramatic and stark. That's the word I'm looking for, stark. So I appreciate that there are companies like this. And there are some now that are starting, like Elf, for example, came out with a brown at least. It would be great if they came out with an auburn, but I'll settle for brown if that's all. It's like, that's the thing with auburn people and with people who are redheads, we have to always settle for either, hoping that there's a brown or hoping that the black is not super duper black, that maybe it might be a soft black, not even. But it's just the case of that there has been and need in the beauty community for people who have various unique things about them that need to be addressed and to be enhanced or to be played down. And that's what makeup is supposed to do. I know I'm rambling, but I'm just super duper excited that I'm able to share this new chapter of my journey with you. This doesn't mean that I won't be posting my regular videos. I will. I just wanted to make it clear that this is also a new exciting chapter for me, being a brand ambassador for none other than How to Be a Redhead. I don't know if you got to see them on Shark Tank. If you watch that show in America, we have, and I think in the UK, there's a show similar. It's called Shark Tank, where these people come to present their business plan or idea, and they go there to get funding from like 3 or 4 established business people in the business world. So the owners, who happen to be sisters and are redheads, went to present what they had, which is How to Be a Redhead. And I think Mark Cuban is actually helping to finance and take the company to the next level. So I'm really pleased about that. Thank you, Mark Cuban, wherever you are. And that's essentially it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of How to Be a Redhead, whether you've tried them, whether you are intrigued to try them. Again, I have a code. You're welcome to use it if you wish. I'm so excited to see what the next chapter with How to Be a Redhead is going to play out. I'm really excited about this. Looking forward to hearing from you on what you think. Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure here with How to Be a Redhead. And I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.